580, I'm gonna give you 20 pesos. How are you, Ate Lot? Very good. Oops, my umbrella. Hi there, guys and girls. One lovely morning. Gosh, the sun is so really high. Just like our dreams. Aim high, fly high. 580 pesos. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Day 116 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own. Not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, sad, devastated, mad, angry, or whatever feelings that you will have. And then your dreams will not push through, will not prosper. Okay? Beware and be aware. Afterwards, expand and enjoy. Okay? Earn, save, save, save. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Bye for now. Hey!